Hey, welcome to Amazing Planet. Get ready to explore the wild side of nature with us. If you are into cool creatures, wild habitats, and everything nature, you are in the right spot. Today, we are diving into the world of a fascinating bird that loves hanging out in the wetlands. So, let's meet the Australasian Swamphen. Alright, picture this. You are walking through a lush, muddy wetland, the kind where frogs are croaking and reeds are swaying. Then suddenly a bird with a striking blue body and a bright red beak waddles into view. It's the Australasian Swamphen, and trust me, this bird is as cool as it sounds. Now, these guys aren't your average backyard birds. Swamphens are part of the rail family, which means they are mostly known for their secretive nature and their love for the wetlands. But don't let that fool you. They are pretty bold when it comes to finding food or strutting their stuff. If you're lucky enough to catch a glimpse, you will see them darting around in the tall grasses or even taking a quick swim. They are expert swimmers, not afraid to dive into the waters to escape a predator or chase down their next meal. One of the most eye-catching features of the Australasian Swamphen is the vibrant blue plumage. It stands out, right? But here is the kicker. Their beak is this bold, fiery red, and they have got these funky little red legs. It's like they walked straight out of a nature painting. Plus, those red legs help them balance when they're walking through the muck. A bird that's built for style and survival. That's a swamphen. So, what do they eat? Swamphens are omnivores, which means they will chow down on just about anything: plants, seeds, insects, small fish, even snails. They are constantly foraging, keeping busy by picking around in the mud or swimming to grab whatever's on the menu. And they are not shy about it either. If you've ever seen one, you might notice how they kind of waddle around, pecking at everything in sight. The Australasian Swamphen doesn't have just one habitat. They are spread across various places in Australia, New Zealand, and even some parts of Papua New Guinea. Wetlands, ponds, and marshy areas are their go-to spots. They're perfectly adapted to these environments, with their long toes designed to help them walk on soft, squishy ground without sinking in. And let's talk about their personalities. This bird is definitely not a solo player. Swamphens are social, often found in small groups, especially when it's breeding season. They communicate through a mix of whistles and squawks. And while they're pretty chill in groups, they got a fierce side when it comes to defending their territory. So, if you're thinking about sneaking up for a better look, you might want to keep your distance. All in all, the Australasian Swamphen is one bird that got a little bit of everything: beauty, boldness, and brains. So, next time you are out in the wild, keep your eyes peeled. You never know when you'll spot this colorful, swamp loving character. That's all for today's adventure into the world of Australasian Swamphen. If you had fun learning about this cool bird, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome wildlife stories. Catch you next time on Amazing Planet, where the world of nature is just a click away.